This tutorial will teach you how to quickly get your stick figure walking. A quick Google search will get you lots of pictures showing the various steps for animating a walking figure. 2 different frames will give your stick figure a walking look, but I prefer to work with at least 4 or 5 for a more flowing movement. If you have the time, then upwards of 12 steps can be used to elegantly show the walking stick figure. Here we have the basic walking stick figure. I prefer to use a stick figure with feet. I just think it looks better. Let's see how he walks. Nice and easy across a page. Let's have a look at each of the frames. Here in the first frame, the stick figure looks like he is about to take off to the right of your screen. In the second frame, you can see that the back leg has bent in towards the front, while the front foot has lifted slightly. See the onion skin behind? You can see that I've moved the figure across ever so slightly. If I don't do this, then he will appear to just walk on the spot rather than move to the other side of the frame. In the third frame, the back foot is swinging through, while the front leg is straightened. You can also play with arms as you move, making sure to keep them in time with your legs. Don't forget to move the stick figure forward a bit to get to the other side of the frame. In the fourth frame, the back leg has now moved right through to the front. It's still bent and up in the air, and now the back leg is moving backwards just a little. Again, the figure has been moved forward a little bit. In the fifth frame, the front leg begins to straighten, and in the sixth, it is placed on the ground, while the back leg bends in and lifts up. This is almost back to the second frame. Now, we repeat. And the walking man walks. Now the real trick is to use cut and paste to the same frame sequences to quickly get your stick figure across to the other side of the page. Go back to the frame that is next in your order and copy it. Move back to the last frame and paste it. All you need to do now is pick up the stick figure and place him further along the page in accordance to your onion skins. Here's what it looks like in fast forward. It's kind of boring. We can speed the process up by holding the control button down and selecting the 4 or 5 frames you have used to create your walking man. If you copy all of these with the copy button, you can then click on the last frame and then paste. Now you'll have to go back through each frame, moving the stick figure into the correct position, but you won't need to change the legs or arms, the sequence is already set. You just need to move the stick figure across the page. Now you'll get him there much quicker. Here he is again in fast forward. And now he's walking. It's a lot of work, but totally worth it in the end. Have fun with your walking stick figure.